Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I'm here to do my next video challenge using this website, and I actually used this website for the last video challenge because I didn't know anything about technology and things that I could use in the classroom. So I used this website for finding all about the Class Dojo and some other things. What I love about it is that when you pull it up, it says you continue watching over here, as well as having the ability to click your playlists. Under my playlist, I have the teacher tips, which is what I had used to find all about Class Dojo and the things I did for my last video post. I like the way that it's broken down into different categories, and I had also talked about using the iPad as an educator. That was my second portion, and I could come right here and look at education with the iPad, Prezi, Schoology, and it's just, Class Dojo, that's what I use as well. It just breaks down so you don't have to watch all of the videos, just the ones that pertain to what you are actually looking for. I have also saved a course called Google Apps 2016 for Education Essential Training. I noticed that many of you specifically talked about using Google Docs and all the features, and I, for one, had no idea how many things there are. And while watching this, I had no idea that there was a voice translator and typing feature. And I love that in the video she takes you step by step, telling you to click tools. Voice typing tells you it only works if you have Chrome. It's just very informative, and it's a great tool to have, especially for some of the students that I know. We currently have one iPad that they can talk to text, but if this is an option, something they could do at home if they don't have an iPad but they do have a computer, it's a great tool. And then the last thing that I had started looking at is a course called Resume Makeover, and it's not specifically meant for just education. However, as a substitute teacher, I'd like to look this over, especially when we get towards next summer when I'll be applying for some jobs, just to see if everything on my resume matches up. And again, I love that if I only really had questions on how to put my education and certifications in, I would just watch this one video for 9 minutes versus watching the entire 35 minutes and 43 seconds. This website seems great. So far, I'm loving it, and it's super easy to save courses or just individual videos, and I'm looking forward to using it in the future.